Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Melanie, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, how are you guys? So today's video is going to be a Ipsy try-on. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's not the Ultimate, it's a Plus. So this is my first month. I'm getting it. Last month I got the regular Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is my first month getting the bigger one. The only thing I've done is just open it, but that's it. You're able to choose the product that you want it to pick. So I did pick a face primer. Rather than that, I don't know what else is in here. I do know I have seen a couple of spoilers that they did collaborate with Betty Boop. So I do know that there's a couple of things in there that they tried incorporating with Betty Boop. If you are not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is basically a subscription service. Their prices used to be $10 for 5 sample sizes, but now they've gone up to $12. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25, and the Ipsy Ultimate is $50. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the box. So when you first open it, it says Ipsy and it says Discover Yourself. And then it has like this orange foam on it. And this is everything that I got. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the little paper. And this is this one that's called Flaunted, October 2019. And then it has all the prices and everything that I got on the inside. So like I said, the first thing that I knew that I was going to get was a face primer. So I've been wanting to try this brand for a really long time. This is the Touch and Salt No Problem Priming Water. I had never seen this, and this retails for $23. That's what it looks like. It looks so weird because it's like looks like it's actual water, like in the tube. That is crazy. So I'm super excited to try this out. The next thing I got was the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. I have never tried anything from this brand. I've never even heard of this brand. And this bronzer palette retails for $30. It looks like this. You have the shade names in the back. And this is what it looks like. Comes with a mirror. And these are the shades. Hopefully I can make these work with my face. Okay, the next thing I got was Betty Boop times Ipsy. Betty Boop times Ipsy. This is the That's So Betty eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. And this retails for $30, and 2 bees on it, or it says like Betty Boop. There's nothing really on the back. And you open it, if I can. There we go. Wow, these colors are so pretty, but there's only like one matte shade in here, and it's a pink. So we will see what I can create with this eyeshadow palette. Next thing I got was this Jolie Spectra stick. Oh, this is like a highlighter. This retails for $26. And this is in the shade Stella. So this is what it looks like. It's like a white matte packaging, and I guess you push this and it pops out, and then you have the little highlighter. The last thing I got was this Farrah Be Beautiful Be You 3-piece brush set. And this is the Midnight Pro Trio, and this retails for $48. And the last thing that's in here is the bag, and it's like a black sequence with a red heart, and then it has Betty Boop on it in the front, and then you open it and it's red inside. It says Betty Boop times Ipsy. So I'm going to go in with the No Problem, I don't know how you say that, I feel like I'm saying that wrong, priming water. Looks like this, and I don't have a mirror. Oh, it comes out like watery. That's so weird. It comes out like water. This is so weird. It comes out like water on your face. Like the way it is in here is the way it comes out. That's so weird. My face feels sticky. I don't know if that's like the way it's supposed to feel, but my face does feel sticky. So I'm going to let that sit in my face for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, prime my lids for eyeshadow, and then we will come back and play with the Betty Boop palette. This is the look that I came up with. And honestly, I'm very disappointed in the palette. The color payoff is not that good. You have to go in multiple times to get the color payoff. Yeah, I'm not liking this palette at all. For it to be worth, I think it was the $30 that it said. I don't think it's worth the $30 at all. I don't. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the colors that I used to create this look. Hopefully we could do it with this little boy in my arms, because okay. So I just went in with a big fluffy brush, blending brush, and I went in with the only matte color, which is this pink shade down here. And I put all of that into my crease. Then I'm going to go in with this other fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go in with a purple shade that's right next door to it, which is this one that's right here. We're gonna put that in like the outer part of the eye. I went in with this little like flat brush, and I went in with some water because these, I sprayed it because these glitter shades that are on here, shimmer shades, do not work at all. So I'm going to go with the shimmer shade that's on top of the matte pink, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Another shader brush, and I'm just gonna go in with this gold that's right here, and we're just gonna use that as an eyebrow shade pigmented, so it's really not gonna show up, but that's okay. Okay, so let me go ahead and put on my eyelashes. They are the Kiss Number 11 eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already put on my eyelashes, I put on foundation, concealer, and baking. So now we're going to go in with the Lovecraft Beauty. This is the contour palette. It has 3 shades in here. I don't know which one I want to use. I'm probably going for the middle shade, this one here. I think I'm going to go for that one. I'm going to go very light-handed with this because lately all the palettes that I've been using have been very pigmented. We're going to be doing the concealer, the highlighter. And I've never used like a stick highlighter. Not as dramatic as that I'm used to, but that's okay. It's nice, it's a subtle highlighter. So I'm just go ahead and put on lip color really quick, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. So the only thing that I did not use were the brushes, but I will try to incorporate them in an upcoming video just to kind of go ahead and let you guys know about my thoughts and opinions on these. So far I am super satisfied with the face primer. I also did like the highlighter is a nice subtle glow that it gives you. I like it. I do also like the contour palette. Honestly, a little bit goes a long way with this, so go very, very light-handed with this, but it's super nice. The only thing that I did not like out of this whole box this month was the eyeshadow palette. I'm so disappointed in it. I don't know, it just took me forever to get the color payoff that I wanted. It is so like messy already. Like, I don't know, it's just, I don't like it. And I think they said that the retail value was $30 for this. I would not pay $30 for this palette with the color payoff it had. But other than that, guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.